This year, in our business, McArthur Industries, which is, I don't need to go on about that, it's not about us tonight. This is a bit of a Christmas party for us, as well as a fundraiser for the Royal Flying Doctor Services.
125, 150, 150, 600, good man. 150, who wants it? 150, 170, 100 rises, 1,000, 1,000, 1,100 now, 1,100, 1,112, 1,300 now, 1,300 now, 1,300 now, 1,300.